David. Now you get it. See? And go, and go. And now, make it. And now fight with your head. Fight with the combination. That's good. Step away. Step away. That's good. Where are the punches, David? Where are the punches? We need punches. We need punches. Let's go. We need 3-4 punches. That's what we need. That's it. Keep moving. Keep moving. Maybe left leg front. That's it. And go. And then one more punch. Fight with the hand. Don't fight with the thumb. That's it. That's it. Go, David. Go with the jabs. Go with the jabs. More jabs. More jabs. That's a good guard. Good guard. That's it. That's good, though. Now score, Kia. That's it. No. Make the jab. More jabs. More jabs. That's it. Go. And go, David. And go. Now he's doing the most. You have to take over now. That's good. You have to take over now. Take over, David. Take over. Keep punching. Long punches, and then come. That's it. Keep the distance. You can, yeah, that's it. That's good. Just step away. That's it. And go. Take it over. Take on the counter, David. Take over. Look for another place. This is too slippery. That's good. On this corner. And now you go. It's hard work here. It's only one kick, eh? You want to see combinations, Good. You want to see combinations. That's good. Very good. Now you're getting there. This is a warm up, eh? Hey! See, now you're getting there. It's a warm up. And you go here. Yeah. Hey, that's it again. Okay, one more round. Last round.